tutorial we are going to learn how to delete all posts on Instagram. So guys, without time wasting, let's start with the video. So here you can see this is my Instagram account, and if I go to my profile photo and if I click open my all photos, okay, so here you can delete one by one post, but there is no option to delete all posts at once. But I am going to give you the solution that you can use and you can easily delete all your posts from Instagram. Okay, so if you go in this option, there is no any you know settings or option to delete all Instagram posts. So here I am going to show you the one solution where you can get the help from the one application which called click assistance. Okay, so this application is very useful. 100 million people use this application for assistance, so you can use it. Just install and open it, then you have to give some permission. Okay, so here you will see the one notification that you have to give permission, then start the service and just cancel it. Okay, then this window will be open. Now go to the your Instagram. Okay, open your Instagram and now go to the your profile photo. Now just open your first post and just keep it on first and don't scroll, just keep it, just scroll down and just keep it first. Now this is a important process you have to follow, so let's go ahead. But before that, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so here you this is a click assistant application, means you have to give some commands for this application to do some tasks. So here in our case we are want to delete all posts. So here I'm going to come giving the commands. So first you need to click on this command icon, and what is the first command? You have to click on this three dot. Okay, this first command has been applied. Now the second command is delete post. Okay, so third command is delete again. So this command has been applied now. So now click on done. Okay, now you need to, okay, one second, I just done. Okay, so now you have to play this command for every post, so you don't need to scroll anything from here, just play button. Now this is automatically done. Okay, will be done. Okay, you can see all this first command applied, then second command, this third command has been applied. So this command will be applied for your all posts, and automatically your all posts will be deleted. You have to keep your phone alone. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.